Hi. Earlier on today, these arrived. Let's open the box. Yes, as you can see, let's open that one in a minute. It's a 3 litre water fire extinguisher. You may jest, but let's put the hose in. These being 3 litre are easier to carry than the 9 litre ones I have, and also the thing is, with any fire extinguisher, once it's started to be discharged, yes, you can stop it, but you can't put it away again. Once you've started them, that's it, they're pretty much finished. And the price of these, you really can throw them away. Yes, you can get them serviced and refilled, but it's not a DIY job. Therefore, as I say, once you've used it, you really do have to throw them away, which again is true for the 9 litre one that's considerably bigger, but that costs more than double what this does, so it's even more money to throw away. Yes, they're useful, but that's the whole idea of them. Yeah. Technically, this is water with an additive. Makes the water softer, so it's easier to put out fires with. Let's open up the other one. I'm sure it'll be the same. Two hoses. Oh well. I guess someone in packing got that wrong. Also included is a bracket. Yeah, both hoses are identical. Yep, that's the second one on. You may be thinking, what do I want these for? Well, it's quite easy. We've got a lot of soft furnishings in here. Yes, we don't smoke, but supposing someone comes round and causes an accident, has a cigarette when they shouldn't, whatever, and something gets set fire to, what are you going to do? Run out and go and get a bucket, fill it full of water and throw it on it? Yes, you can. But where's your bucket? Oh, it's outside. Oh. So you've got to get the keys to unlock the back door, to go outside to get the bucket, then wait for the bucket to fill up, then come in and throw it and find out that one bucket of water isn't enough. That's why we have these ready to go. Put them out of sight, hang them on a bracket out of the way, not a problem. If you like this content, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You can also join me on Ko-fi.